Hi, in today's video I'm going to teach you the difference between this, that, these and those. First, let's talk about this and that. This mug is white. That mug over there is green. This plant is small. That plant is big. This photo frame is green. That photo frame is brown. You've probably noticed that I used this to talk about objects that were close to me, like this mug, this plant, this photo frame. We use this to talk about a singular one, person or a thing that is close to us. And we use that to talk about a singular person or a thing that is farther away from us, like that mug, that plant, that photo frame. Let's do a short exercise. Match the sentences with the pictures. Right, let's talk about these and those. These jars are empty and those jars are full. These drumsticks are new, those drumsticks are old. These sandals are black and those sandals are green. We use these to talk about two or more people or things that are close to us, like these jars, these drumsticks, these sandals. We use those to talk about two or more people or things that are farther away from us, like those jars, those drumsticks, those sandals. To sum up, when we talk about objects that are here, that are close to us, we can use this for one object or these for two or more objects. When we talk about objects that are far away from us, that are over there, we can use that for one object or those for two or more objects. And now let's move on to another exercise. Complete the sentences with this, that, these or those. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!